Hello, anybody viewing this. So today we're just going to be doing the math problem 205 times 23 times 70. And what's really cool about multiplying a strand of numbers is that you can isolate any two of them and, like as part of the multiplying process, like multiplying 205 times 23 first or 23 times 70 first. And eventually, by multiplying all of them, you're going to get the same answer. So we're going to start by multiplying 23 times 70. So going down here, we're going to put 23 times 70. And what's really cool is that when you multiply by a number that has 0 at the end, you can actually hang it off of the end of the problem and isolate it and bring it down, and you have the same answer. Like 5 times 10, if we go over here, we know that 5 times 10 is 50, right? And to make it even easier, we can do 5 times 1, we know is 5, drop down the 0, 50, we get the same answer as if we were doing 5 times 10 equal 50. If we did all of that work. So anyways, we're going to do 23 times 70, which we know that the 0 is brought down. 3 times 7 is going to be 21, so bring that little 2 up there. Then 2 times 7 we know is 14, plus 2 equals... Wait. Okay, equals 16. So 16, so the answer is 1,610. So that's our first number. So we're going to multiply that now by 205, which is our first number. So remember what we can do with this 0. We can just bring it down and forget about it until later. So yeah. So let's get started. So we're multiplying 3-digit numbers by each other, and that always intimidated me, so I get why it makes some people uncomfortable, but I think math is fun, so this is exciting. Okay, so we're gonna start by doing multiplying it all by the ones column. So 1 times 5 equals 5. 6 times 5 equals 30, so we're going to put that little 3 up there. 1 times 5 equals 5, and if we add that little 3, that means 8. So we're going to go down a column to do our next row, and this row is going to be pretty simple because it's all multiplied by 0. So 1 times 0 is 0, 6 times 0 is 0, and 1 times 0 is 0. Okay, so then with every row that we go down, we add an extra 0 to our adding row thing. So you see how we added this first, here I'll put a little heart around it. We added this first 0 when we started the next row. So every row we go down, we add 1 more. So this row we have 2 additional 0s from what we started out with. Okay, so now we're going to do our last digit over here, which is in the hundreds place. So we're going to do 1 times 2 is 2, 6 times 2 is 12, and then 1 times 2 is 2, plus this 1 is 3. So we're going to see. This is just basically adding up these numbers. So you bring the 0 down, bring the 5 down, bring that 0 down. That equals 10. So just keep going. All right. And to our answer above, that should be it. So I'm going to put this down And if I got the answer right, I'm going to post this video, and if not, I'm going to be doing this my entire night trying to figure it out. Have a good night, guys. Bye.